Today, a big decision in Collin County could settle the future of a controversial temple project. The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints wants to build a new temple in Fairview that's just south of McKinney. It's a plan that's been on the table for more than a year and has divided neighbors on both sides of the issue. Janelle Fort live in Fairview right now. And Janelle, there has been a lot of back and forth on this.
Yeah, there really has. And tonight at 7:30, Town Hall will once again serve as a backdrop for another round of what's become one of the most contentious debates that the city of Fairview has ever seen. So at the heart of this is a proposed temple with a 120-foot spire right off of Stacy Road. The town council has already voted yes to move the project forward, but that vote is being challenged in court by residents who want to cap the height of the church. Residents who oppose the temple say the council's 5-2 decision back in April shouldn't have counted as approval. They argue it should have required a supermajority of 6 votes because of formal protests filed by nearby property owners. And the math here, it really matters. So the town says that just under 20% of neighbors who live within 200 feet of where they want to build a temple signed protest, which is not enough to trigger the stricter threshold. But opponents claim the town miscalculated by including a chunk of land that's technically in Allen and not Fairview. Their attorney argues that if you take that land out, the percentage climbs just over 21%, enough to require 6 council votes instead of 5. Now, that legal dispute is now sitting with a Collin County judge. On the other hand, the LDS Church says a new temple is needed to serve the growing North Texas congregation. But some neighbors and even the mayor argue the size and height of the proposed temple don't fit Fairview's small town character. So tonight's council meeting isn't about revoting on the permit itself, but the agenda does include approving the final plat of the temple site. And while that sounds technical, every step forward keeps this project moving or brings it to a halt. So there's a lot to follow here. Sending it back to you guys in the studio.